Hello everyone, today we will learn Caesar cipher. Caesar cipher, which is named after its inventor Julius Caesar, is actually a substitution technique. Substitution technique means in this cipher, when we will do the encryption, we will do it by replacing one alphabet with some another alphabet. So let us try to learn it with the help of an example. Suppose we are having a plain text crypto. What is the meaning of plain text? Plain text is the text that you want to encrypt. And the key value I have taken here as 3. Why 3? Because we are learning the basic version of Caesar cipher, and in this basic version of Caesar cipher the key value is fixed, that is 3. Now here I have written all the alphabets, and now let us see how we'll do the encryption. So I will explain you encryption letter by letter. So the first letter that we have to encrypt is C. Okay, and the key is 3. So C will be replaced by a alphabet which is 3 placed down. So C, then D, E, and third letter is F. So C will be replaced by F. Then next letter is R. So third letter after R, S, T, and U. So R will be replaced by U. Then Y. Now this is Y. The third letter after Y, so Z. Then you will go to first letter A and then B. So Y will be replaced by B. Then similarly P will be replaced by S, T will be replaced by U, V, and W, third letter is W, and O will be replaced by R. So for the plain text crypto, we will get a cipher text FUBSWR. So this text is non-readable. So even if someone receives it, one cannot get its meaning. So this is called as a cipher text. So what is cipher text? The text that you obtain after encrypting the plain text. Now we have seen that the encryption is done by replacing the alphabet by alphabet which is 3 letters down. Now breaking. What is the meaning of breaking the cipher? So if some attacker tries to recover the plain text from the cipher text, so this is called as the breaking of cipher. Now breaking this is very easy because key is also fixed, that is 3, and process is also known. So all attacker have to do is replace the alphabet 3 place up the line. Okay, so a modified version came which is called as a modified Caesar cipher. This is also a substitution technique. The only difference is the key value is not fixed. In Caesar cipher the key is 3. In modified Caesar cipher key value can be any value between 1 to 25. So let us see how it works. So we can take key is equals to 3 also. So the process will be same as it was, as I explained earlier. Or I can take any value. So suppose I selected key is equals to 1. Then for the same plain text crypto, if I take key is equals to 1, then C will be replaced by D now because key is only 1. Then R by S, Y by Z, P by Q, T by U, O by P, and then I get a cipher text DSZ QUP. So you can see that for the same plain text, by using the same method, I obtained two different cipher texts because the key that I have used is different. So when we talk about breaking this cipher, so it is a bit difficult as compared to Caesar cipher, but still we are having only 25 keys. So if the attacker knows that modified Caesar cipher is used, what attacker can do, can try all the keys, and at some key the attacker will get a readable text and can break the cipher. So such type of attack where you obtain the plain text from the cipher text by trying all the type of keys is called as the brute force attack. So I'll explain you brute force attack with the help of an example. Suppose I am having this cipher text and I don't know the key, but I want to obtain the plain text. So I know that modified Caesar cipher is used. Then I can do the brute force attack. How I'll do it? I will start from first key, that is key is equals to 1, and I will do the reverse, that is A will be, now we are doing the reverse procedure. So A will be replaced by the previous alphabet Z, I by H, and I get some word which is not readable. Then I take key is equals to 2, again I get a text which is not readable. Then key is equals to 3, again I get a text which is not readable. Then I took key is equals to 4 and I got a text, and you can see that this is readable. So even though I was not knowing the key, but by trying different keys I finally got a readable text, that is I was able to break the cipher. So this was all about Caesar cipher. and modified Caesar cipher. Thank you.